The future of 3D printing holds enormous potential in revolutionizing various industries. Its ability to fabricate intricate objects layer by layer will transform manufacturing, healthcare, aerospace, architecture, and more. In manufacturing, 3D printing streamlines production processes, reduces waste, and enables the creation of complex and lightweight products. The technology's ability to print spare parts on demand will optimize supply chains, minimizing downtime and costs. In healthcare, 3D printing allows for personalized medical implants, prosthetics, and anatomical models, enhancing treatment outcomes. Emerging bioprinting technology offers hope for printing living tissues and organs, revolutionizing organ transplants. Aerospace will benefit from 3D printed lightweight components, improving fuel efficiency. Additionally, architecture will experience a shift with the construction of intricate structures and customizable buildings. As 3D printing advances, it opens up new possibilities and innovations in diverse sectors.